Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, or OTBI, is a core component of Oracle Fusion applications, as it provides real-time analytics for data embedded within the applications. OTBI supports strategic planning, forecasting, problem-solving, and other types of detailed analytics. OTBI, built on the Oracle Business Intelligence Foundation, provides ad hoc query and analysis, dashboards, enterprise reporting, scorecards, predictive analytics, and more. Along with Oracle Fusion applications, FlexDeploy provides robust support for OTBI development artifacts, which must be managed across a software delivery pipeline. In fact, FlexDeploy has support for many of the products built on the Oracle Business Intelligence Foundation, including OBIEE, Oracle Analytics Server, Oracle Analytics Cloud, and BI Publisher. In this video, we will explore how FlexDeploy helps speed the delivery of OTBI web catalog objects across the pipeline, lowering cost and risk. Using a package-based model and the Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence plugin, FlexDeploy further extends DevOps for Oracle Fusion applications. In FlexDeploy, we have created a project called Financials BI to manage the Financials folder within the OTBI web catalog for Oracle HCM. We could create a single project and map it to the entire web catalog if we so choose. In the File catalog, we have discovered all objects in the web catalog from within the Financials folder of our OTBI development instance. Notice that the extensions on the catalog files have been manipulated to match the type of the objects. We can see catalog files for folders, data models, reports, dashboards, and more. Not shown in this video, we could instead place the objects from the OTBI web catalog into a source control system and discover them from there. This would provide all the benefits of source control, including having history of every modification. In either case, the files are discovered into the catalog once and can then be assembled into packages and built and deployed whenever the underlying objects change in the source. Let's take a look at a couple of packages defined on our project. First is the HCM251 package. This package is defined as user managed, where we can simply add the files which we want to include from the file catalog. This is useful for larger teams that are using agile methodologies to deliver changes frequently. In this example, we've added a data model, 2 reports, and a dashboard from the file catalog. Next is the collections package. This package is defined as dynamic. With dynamic packages, we do not add files from the catalog directly, but rather we define regular expressions which identify the catalog files which should be added dynamically. In this case, we have set the include path to be everything in the collections subfolder. Dynamic packages have the advantage that its content is managed automatically, forming a consistent set. As the file catalog grows, content in the dynamic packages will be updated based on the matching expressions. Dynamic packages will have a permanent life since the content evolves as your implementation grows. Since user-managed packages are feature-based, their life expires when the feature is delivered to production. Now, let's build the HCM251 package and send it to the pipeline for execution. We will select the development environment, meaning the 4 files in the package will be exported from the OTBI development instance. Drilling into the build execution, we can see the build workflow steps which were executed and that the 4 files exported. Once the build is complete, we can see the build artifact containing the exported files. This artifact is versioned in FlexDeploy's artifact repository. Now, let's look at the orchestration being driven through the pipeline. The release snapshot contains the 2 packages that we reviewed earlier. The collections package is from the previous snapshot, and the new version of the HCM251 package that we just built is overlaid to produce this new snapshot. Within the execution, we can see that the deployment into the test instance has already completed. In the deployment step detail, we can drill down and see the status of each file in the package. This is a very simple pipeline which incorporates approvals, schedules, and an integration with ServiceNow. As with any pipeline, you can design and create a software delivery lifecycle which meets the requirements of your organization. In the environment history report, we can see the complete history of the objects deployed across all of our HCM instances. In this case, we have selected a saved query which filters the history for the Financials BI project in the test environment. The reports are valuable to gain insight into what changes have been deployed to reconcile an issue or to collect information required for an audit request. In this video, we learned about FlexDeploy's support for Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence. We discovered how web catalog objects can be inventoried into the file catalog from either a source control system or an OTBI development instance. We learned how user-managed packages can be utilized for ad hoc build and deployments, and how dynamic packages allow for dynamic inclusion of files based on regular expressions. We reviewed how packages are delivered across the delivery lifecycle using a pipeline, and how the pipeline orchestrates and enforces the delivery lifecycle defined by your organization. And finally, we saw how traceability is provided at the file level through execution and within the reports. Thanks for watching.